I am Prachi Mishra, co-founder of Hair Day U. Nidhi Agrawal, Gayatri, they'll talk after some time. So Hair Day U is a hair ritual where we have come up with products like shower filter, which is going to make the hard water softer. It is a cosmetic hair filter. We have fragrances in it like oud, tangerine, and lavender. We have a microneedle serum, which will help you in the hair regrowth. And this brand is very close to me because I think once your hair is fixed, your whole personality, your whole look changes a lot. So I believe this is something which starts from your basic shower. So there comes a brand which works from the basic root cause of fixing the water which is coming to your scalp first. So that was a little introduction from my side. I'll introduce Gayatri to you. Gayatri.
Thank you. That was a nice speech. So, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good evening. This is Gayatri. I'm also a co-founder of Hair Day U. Also, Infinize Corporate Private Limited சொல்லிட்டு I run an IT integrated company in Chennai. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா Hair Day U இன்னைக்கு சென்னையில் லான்ச் பண்ணது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது. அட் த சேம் டைம் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் நாங்கள் ரொம்ப அட்மோஸ்ட் லவ் அண்ட் கேரில் உங்களுக்காக நாங்கள் க்ரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இது அட்வான்ஸ்ட் கொரியன் டெக்னாலஜி பேஸ் பண்ணி இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஆஸ் பிராச்சி சொன்ன மாதிரி வி ஹாவ் அ குட் ஷவர் ஃபில்டர் அண்ட் சீரம். உங்களில் ஒருத்தியாக இருந்து நான் இந்த ப்ராடக்டை ட்ரை பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அண்ட் கம்மிங் டு தீஸ் டூ பியூட்டிஃபுல் லேடிஸ், ஐ ஜஸ்ட் மெட் தெம் through my soul sister Daisy, who's the brain behind this. ஸோ இது கண்டிப்பாக ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள். அண்ட் உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் தான் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்க்கு ரொம்ப ஆதரவாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ அண்ட் கோஸ் டு நிதி.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். சென்னையில் வந்தோன்னா நான் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன். எப்போவுமே எனக்கு சென்னையில் வந்தோன்னா ஐ லுக் ஃபார் எக்ஸ்கியூசஸ் டு கம் ஹியர். ஸோ வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி டு பி ஹியர். அண்ட் டுடே ஐ எம் ஹியர் ஃபார் ஹேர் டே யூ. நான் எப்போவுமே ஐ ஹவ் நெவர் come together with a brand. I have never launched my own brand ever. This is the first brand I launched because I really believe in the brand. I believe in the product. And Namela team, whether it's Gayatri, Prachi, me, Daisy, who's the brain behind this, we've all worked very hard. I think we've done a lot of research. And இப்போ the number one problem எல்லாருக்குமே என்னன்னா hair fall. Whether it's men or women or even kids, everybody is facing a lot of hair fall. So எனக்கு வேற ஷூட்டிங்ல போனோன்னா hair styling and all of that, so I've also been having a lot of hair fall. And அதுக்கு number one problem என்ன water. So we have a shower filter in the line there which kind of fixes the hair fall problem. And whether it's my family, whether it's her family, I think they've all given the product 6 months of test run and they've genuinely seen a difference. And shower filter smell kuda romba nalla irukku, especially the lavender one is my favorite. So you like oud? My mom also likes oud. So if this product genuinely works, so நீங்க எல்லாம் ட்ரை பண்ணணும், எல்லாமே ட்ரை பண்ணணும். எல்லாருக்கும் முடி நல்லா இருக்கணும், ஷைனிங் இருக்கணும், ரொம்ப முடி இருக்கணும். Because I think hair is a very very big part of your appearance. Hair நல்லா இருக்குன்னா Moonji also, it's okay if it's not,
Beautiful hair, beautiful you with Hair Day U.
100. I think, she said it best. But hair is a very, very important part of anyone's look, whether again it's a man or a woman. So I think it's time that we all take care of our hair. And not externally by applying products on top, but internally in terms of the kind of water that we are using. So we have a shower filter and we also have the micro needling serum. Adu micro needling enna, it's like a small pricking sensation irukku adile. So this is a Korean technology. So all these products are from Korea and we are bringing it to you in India, in Chennai. And adu it helps in hair growth. So that also is something that really works. So I would really like for everybody to try the products, and I would not have made this my own if it did not work. So definitely my guarantee is there, and
Yes.
How different it is going to be from the existing products? Because there's a lot of products in the market, so how it's going to be different?
So sir, this hair day you idella, whether it's the minerals, whether it's the chemicals, everything is from Korea, but it suits Indian skin as well. So it's a very dermatological brand. This one the cosmetic brand. It's not that much of a cosmetic brand. It's more of a dermatological brand, something that maybe your doctor would recommend to you. It's more on in that space, and it's tried and tested. I think the from the research that we have done, I think almost everybody has seen a very, very big difference.
So I'll also want to add, we are very economical. We are offering $7.99 for the water filter, which is very affordable, which lasts for at least 2 months for a family of 4. Plus the fragrance, none of the other products in the market are offering fragrance right now. So when you use our water filter, first it's removing the chlorine, making it soft water, which is good for your scalp. Plus it has an amazing fragrance, means you will feel you're in the spa while taking the shower. So that's something which is our USP at the moment.
Yeah, our USP other, and one more thing is that you'll see a very immediate result in hair fall reducing.
Right.
That within 15 washes you'll feel like the hair fall has reduced. So I think that's how it's different. And Iduvanda, just to start, we are definitely going to come up with a lot more products related to hair, and we want to be a brand that's more of it actually works, not just for show, not just for packaging, not just a celebrity brand, but it has to work. So I think that's where it would be different.
People think there is no side effects when everything is done. So how you face your brand?
No side effects. There are absolutely no side effects because all ingredients are natural and they have all been used in different forms in other hair products. We have just put them together and brought it in one, so there are no side effects. There's a lot of vitamin C in our products. Vitamin C also has absolutely no side effects. Even when the water touches your skin, it's actually good for your skin also. So yeah, zero side effects.
So normally people think that these kind of products are not affordable, costly.
That's
Right.
what
Yeah.
we established the point that we are very affordable, we're in a very economical range. So from middle class family to anybody can easily afford it, and it lasts for at least, in my house it's been almost 60 days, and we
Yeah.
take shower twice, it's still working. So that's, we are using it and then saying it. So that's where the trust comes from.
So yes,
Yeah.
as they are telling, நாங்களும் எங்கள் வீட்டில் we have used it personally. ஸோ எங்கள் வீட்டு அழகிய தமிழ் மகன், that is my husband, டாக்டர் வந்து டெர்மட்டே வந்து இந்த ஸ்கேல்பில் சில பிளேசஸில் ஹேர் ஃபாலிகல்ஸ் வளரவே வளராதுன்னு சொல்லாங்க. பட் இன்ஸ்பைட் நாங்கள் வந்து we just wanted to test this product before coming in. So he tested it for some days, some weeks, and then small follicles, baby hairs எல்லாமே வளர ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு. So that is the trust and
Yeah.
So
This
it's
product
definitely,
carries.
it's very affordable. I think on purpose we have kept it like that. We didn't want it to be very, very high price because genuinely we want people to protect their hair. One hairstylist told me once, one hair is 1 lakh. So in the Mari Yosikno, one strand of hair is worth 1 lakh, you know. So we have to be very thoughtful with number inna products podro hair, inna kind of water podro, number one.
After how many washes or how many liters we have to change the cap?
So there is no specification about it. Once you start using it, say after 45 days to a month, when you see the fragrance is not coming, is when you have to change it. Yeah.
So it basically based upon our water quality.
100%.
Right.
Like how much water you are using, but minimum 1 month, maximum maybe 2 months.
2 months,
Yeah.
So it is a interchangeable or
It is.
reusable or replaceable?
So
replaceable.
replaceable, like you're using it in one shower, for example, you're changing the washroom, want to do the other one, you can change the. So you can easily attach with the hand shower. It's like really easy, and even a kid can do it.
Yeah. As of now, it is changeable, but we are working on reusable as well. I think that will take a little bit more time, but as of now, it's changeable.